Hello everyone, I'm Barney and I work on the tray counter at Fast Services, and in this video we're going to show you how to remove the lock cores for Hafele, Triumph and Cyberlock cores. For the demonstration purposes of this part of the video, we are going to be using this Hafele lock here, but the method itself will work on the other manufacturers that I mentioned. The only thing that you will need, however, is a working key like this or a master key, as the lock itself will need to be in the open position. So just pop the key in, turn it to the open position like that, and now it's ready to remove. Now you can take the removal key, which is available through our website, pop that in the lock there, and the lock core will remove like that. Now, if for whatever reason the lock doesn't want to remove as easily as that, it could be due just to build up of dirt and grime over the time it's been in the cupboard for. So just give it a little twist, give it a little wiggle around like this, and it should work its way loose eventually. So just be patient, but it will be removed. Now you can take the new core. Now note the diamond shape inside there. You can see that there. It needs to match up with the diamond shape on the core itself like this. So just pop that in. It can be a little bit fiddly, so again, just be patient. Pop that in until you hear a faint click like this. And now you can take the key out, and that is now fully fitted. Now, with careful adaptation of the retaining pin at the back, you can potentially fit a Cyberlock series lock core in there, as the diamond shape is actually the same shape on the Hafele core as well. The only difference there, of course, is that you will then need, of course, a different removal key, but the same method will apply. And that's how you remove the lock cores on Hafele locks. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to click subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload a new video. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.